Durex Homogeneous and Emulsification Pump are multi-purpose compound and emulsification equipment with international advanced technology. Its professional technical and manufacture precision can approach international advanced level. Homogeneous and Emulsification Pump is an efficient type product with mix, dispersion, breaking, dissolution, refinery, homogenization, emulsifying. The pump's working chamber comprises 3 stages, 12 layers of stator and rotator. With motor rapid turning, the rotator interact with stator each other, then shearing, extrusion, friction, turbulent on medium. So the solid, fluid, and volatile medium are quickly refined, homogenized. This process can result in improving working efficiency and getting high-quality products. Homogeneous and Emulsification Pump break through traditional design, can select 1 to 3 stages or 2 to 5 layers stator and rotator, depends on different working condition and customer requirement. Till now, there have different structure, homogeneous, and emulsification pumps can be selected. It is widely used in food processing, consumer chemical, pharmaceutical, chemical fiber, paper making, refinery chemical, petrochemical, pesticide, paint, and so on.